In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Circle with Webflow. This integration allows you to bring the collaborative power of Circle's community features directly into your Webflow design site. So let's dive into each step and make sure you have a smooth integration process. First, make sure that you have access to both your Circle.so and Webflow accounts. Sign in to your Circle.so admin account. This is important as you'll need to navigate to specific settings within Circle to start the integration process. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings panel. You'll find this option in your admin dashboard. Once there, navigate to integrations, and under this section, you'll see an option for embed/custom code. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to locate and copy the specific embed code or widget script that Circle.so provides. This script is crucial as it acts as the bridge between your Circle community elements and your Webflow site. This code can be found within the embed/custom code settings. Make sure to copy the entire script accurately as any missing part could result in the integration not functioning properly. With the code copied, switch over to your Webflow account. Log in and open the specific project where you want to integrate your Circle community. If the project isn't readily available, you can access it through your dashboard. Now go to the Pages section, then select the page where you wish to add your Circle.so widget. Once you're on the correct page, you'll need to add an element. Click on Add Element and search for the Embed option, symbolized by the icon. In the Embed element area, paste the Circle.so embed code that you previously copied. It's important to double check once again that the entire script is pasted accurately. After pasting, click on Save. If required, you can adjust the dimensions of the embed to better fit your page design by altering the width and height. It's often useful to preview these changes to ensure it aligns well with the overall layout of your site. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish your site. Click on Publish in Webflow, and after a few moments, your Circle.so community widget should appear seamlessly on your Webflow page. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated Circle with Webflow, enhancing the interactivity and community engagement